Welcome to all. SV Union High School and Junior College. Subject EVS 1, Standard 5th, Lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problem. Hello student. Today I am going to teach you EVS 1, Lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problem. Now, from the name of the lesson only you will understand the meaning of the topic. Let us solve our own problem. Means they are telling us in this lesson how to solve our own problem. In our life we face many problems, but how to tackle it we have to learn in this lesson. And problem cannot be solved by us own. For solving the problem, we require the support of your friends, of your family members, and your teachers also can solve your problem, or anyone can solve your problem. But for solving the problem, we require the support and cooperation from everyone. Then only the problem can be solved. So today let us start with the explanation part of this lesson. So see, in front of you, you will see one picture, and in that picture what they are telling us, see first picture you can see one picture of the girl is shown. In that at the top they have written what problem can you identify from the following pictures. So first one is, my area get water only thrice a week. Now see, that girl is having the problem regarding that. She is telling that in her area she get water only thrice a week, means 3 times only she is getting the water. So this is a problem which she is facing. But can this problem solved by her alone? No, she requires the cooperation and she has to take the efforts in solving the problem. She has to take the help of the people, those who are living in her area. Clear? And then only the problem can be solved. Then the next picture you can see, the garbage has spilled out. I have to walk to school with my nose covered. Now see, when that boy is coming to the school every day, he suffer a various problem. But he is telling us that the garbage has spilled out and he has to walk through the school with his nose covered. So here also he requires the supports of his friends and the people, those who are passing through that area. And with them, their support only, he can solve this problem. Means they have to approach to the various department related to the various problem, to the various thing, and they have to go there, give the complaint, and then only the problem can be solved. Then the third picture, in the third picture what they are telling us, I feel like riding my bicycle to school every day, but there is no bicycle track. Now that girl want to go to the school on the bicycle, but she cannot ride the bicycle. Why? Because the bicycle track is not over there. So for this also she requires the support of the people, and then only she can solve that problem. Clear? The next one, my father has to visit the Taluka place every day for some dispute over the land. Now here they are telling that the child is telling us his father has to visit to the Taluka, and for visiting to the Taluka, daily traveling is headache for that person, and that person may get tired also, means that child's father, because there is a dispute over the land. So for that what he can do, he has to take out some solution for solving the problem. Means all the people should come together and try to solve the problem why the disputes are taking place in their area. Got it? Why the dispute are taking place for the sake of the land. So they should talk to each other, and then only the problem can be solved. Now let us start with the first one in this. Now you have seen all the picture and I have explained you what they are telling us from that picture. Now we will start with the first one, that is issues in civics life. Now what they are telling here, issues in civics life. Now what they are telling us in this, issues in civics life. Now there are many issues and how we should solve our problem. See children, what they are telling us in this paragraph. We encounter many problems in our civics life. Means we face different types of problem in our civics life. This problem cause us inconvenience, means it is inconvenience for us. Sometimes our life is thrown into disorder, means we come in the tension, we cannot able to solve that problem, means we don't understand what to do. So that is called as a life is thrown into disorder. If we turn a blind eye towards problem, means when we are turning our blind eye towards the problem, they become worse. Means they become worse. So it is best to solve them in time. Means we should try to solve the problem in time. We should not delay it. The moment you delay it, you will suffer from, you will come in tension and the problem cannot be solved. So the moment you feel that this problem is taking place, so it has to be solved at that moment only or next day. But it has to be solved. Then next, the problem faced by people in cities and village can be called problem or issue in civics life. Now here they are telling that the problem faced by the people, means the problem which the people are facing in the cities and villages can be called problem or issue in civics life. Got it what I am telling? Means the problem which is faced by the people in the cities or village. Means for example, shortage of water is there. People are not getting the water. Means in previous picture only I explained you the water problem is there, only the thrice a week the water comes. So the people face different type of problem and water is not there. And as we know the water is our life. Without water we cannot live in this world. For each and every purpose the water is required. So the people face a problem, but how to tackle with that problem, we should able to solve it. So that's why here they are telling that problem faced by the people in cities and village can be called problem or issue in civics life. I have given you example of shortage of water, but there are many problems which we are facing in our area. Sometimes there is a problem of electricity, means quite often the light goes off. So that time also we have to face different problems. Suppose if your exams are going on and if the light is not there, then the problem of studies takes place. Then you need fan. So there are different problems. But whatever problem which you are facing in the cities or you are living in village, that problem is called as issues in civics life. Then it is important to be able to identify such issue. Means it is very important to identify such issue. One person alone cannot be solve such problem. As I told you in the beginning only that one person cannot solve this problem again. And for solving the problem we require someone support and cooperation. So in the textbook also they are telling us in same way they are telling us that one person cannot solve such problem. They can be solved through everyone efforts and cooperation. Clear? Thank you children. This is a end of part 1, that is lesson number 7. Let us solve our own problem. Remaining part is in the next video. We are going to start with the part 2.